Hey y'all, it's Leslie with Leslie's Home Connections in Palm Harbor Homes, bringing to you a super exciting new home we just got. We've only had it for about 2 weeks, but man, this home is selling like crazy. Can't wait to show you all about it. All right, so here we have our spacious living room, built-in entertainment center. Definitely can fit a sectional couch, open to the dining and kitchen area. Here it is at a different angle. And then we also have the utility room and pantry off of the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen, nice kitchen island, getting the kids ready for school in the morning or a nice romantic dinner. Got plenty of storage space. Nice little coffee or crock pot area next to the refrigerator there with some overhead storage. Nice window over the sink. Whirlpool appliances. Tons of drawer space. But check this out. This is my favorite feature of this home because you don't see many like it at all. Check out the pantry. This thing is huge. Here you have your utility room. Enough space for your washer and dryer right there. You even have enough space for a deep freezer. All right, so this 3-bedroom, 2-bath doesn't have any carpet. So if you're out on the farm, not a problem. Easy cleanup. Look at this bedroom. Huge bedroom. Can't wait to show you this closet. You definitely have enough space for all those clothes. Off the master bedroom, obviously you're gonna have your master bath. Nice, large bathroom, vanity area for your makeup mirror. Got your bathtub there. Nice shower with an extra tall shower head. Perfect for those extra tall husbands or boyfriends. Then we also got some extra space here that'll allow for extra clothing, shelving, any kind of storage that you need. So off the living room and dining area, you're gonna have your 2 spare rooms, an extra bath. Again, this house has no carpet, so look at how those floors just shine. And check out this closet. Large walk-in closets in each of the spare rooms. Next thing to do is contact me to schedule your VIP tour.